What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing with Jax. I know my videos have been at all kinds of different times lately. It's just because I'm getting ready for a trip and I'm driving all over the place. So, guys, the bullish scenario took place. That's why I always have to give both scenarios. Even if it looks more bearish, the bullish scenario is always possible and vice versa. And we've had that play out here with Ethereum and with Polygon. So currently we're sitting at $1.13. We're up almost 7% on the day. Market cap is sitting at 7.13 billion. Now, something to keep an eye on, guys, is the volume is still low. We still haven't seen an increase in volume. We're sitting at 432 million. So keep that in the back of your mind. When you do see these kind of breakouts, you want to see them being backed up by volume. So we're going to start here on the hourly. So in yesterday's video, I talked about this head and shoulders pattern. I talked about us being back underneath the golden ratio and our breakdown to targets because it was looking more bearish. We had a head and shoulders. We were underneath the golden ratio. However, we found support at $1.05 to 0.786 and we bounced. And we did have a little bit of a reversal pattern here. It's not pretty, but it's inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Drop in your neckline just right about here. And you have a breakout target that would take you up. Let's give it a little price target. Take you back up to about $1.16 for Matic, for Polygon here. So if we're going to invalidate this head and shoulders, we do have to take out that $1.24. There will be some resistance along the way. Currently we're hitting some at about $1.14. And then would there be resistance in this area? Yeah, for sure. Resistance as well at about $1.18. Now, like I've said, we're not seeing that increase in volume. So what can happen is we come up, we hit resistance, we roll over, and we continue the downtrend. We'll quickly look at Ethereum as well. So I will give you these levels of support. They're basically the same here at $1.05. We do have that $1 range as well. And then we still have our technical target from our head and shoulders at 92 cents. And at 94 cents is the 1.272. Now, if we do take our Fibonacci here, since we've seen a bounce, we can take our Fibonacci, swing high, swing low. And you can see we're starting to hit some resistance on the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. So if we do make it up to our technical target at $1.16, that gives you stronger confirmation that you'd head towards that $1.25. And of course, the 1.272 at $1.30. So we'll quickly look at Ethereum and then we'll pop back over to Matic. Oh, there's a larger pattern I wanted to show you guys here for Polygon, and it's a descending triangle. So all the way back from our all-time high here at about $2.74, we've been creating this very, very large ascending triangle. Honestly, I could probably move this a bit closer here. So you have one touch, you have two touch, you have three touch. So it looks like we're about to make a decision now. A descending triangle is a bearish pattern, but honestly, I don't see the bearish scenario playing out. Because if we take our measurement here from the body of our triangle and we bring it down, it would bring Matic down to negative 0.04. And sorry guys, but that's never going to happen in my humble opinion. But our breakout target here would bring us back up to our high at about $2.68. Now the entire market is coming very close to making a very, very large decision. If you watch my Bitcoin video, you can see how closely it is moving with that Wyckoff method. And that's showing us that we're going to continue back on our bull run and we're going to reverse this downtrend and head back up into an uptrend. So please do watch that video. We are still underneath the EMAs here on the daily. So if you see us start to just kind of continue to trade sideways or we fall out, there might be a little bit more downside. But if we do break to the upside, your target, it will take a long time to get here, is $2.68. So let's look at Ethereum. So we'll start here on the daily. Just quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're doing well. So guys, we broke out of our double bottom. We back tested as support at 2036 and we bounced and we're almost back above the 20 EMA on the daily, which is a beautiful sign. Looks like we might be heading back up to test that resistance at 2259, which was our level of resistance from our previous breakout that I have been covering on the channel. A previous level of support here, previous level of support resistance in this area as well. Now we still have our technical target. This straw is really garbage. Our technical target here from our double bottom at 2348. Hey guys, for anybody that's new to my channel, I know these videos can get a little bit long. There's a little option. If you click the three dots, you can put it on 1.5, 2 times speed, and speed it up a little bit. So I had been talking about that breakdown target from our head and shoulders at 1875. However, we have bounced. We had an inverse head and shoulders, reversal pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It's funny that the shoulder of our head and shoulders became the shoulder of our inverse head and shoulders. So here's our breakout target from this head and shoulders pattern at 2265. So keep an eye on that. It looks like we're hitting some resistance here at the 0.786 on the Fibonacci, but guys, we are back above the golden ratio. So if we hold support in this area, it could give confirmation that we'll head up and break 2291. We break 2291, guys. It's a beautiful sign that we're starting to reverse the trend here. We head up to the 1.272 at 2369. Now I showed you guys with Bitcoin in the short term, the immediate short term, we are in an uptrend. You have your low and now you have your higher low. And you would have your high here. You had a little bit of a correction here. You have a higher high. So if we come up and we break this high, we create another higher high. We're starting to create an uptrend. It could be a reversal here. I'm not going to get too excited just yet. But awesome to see that bounce. So keep an eye on those levels of resistance. I'll quickly drop some levels of support. Let's drop one right here. 2080. And then down here as well. We could drop a level of support right around this area where this line is, right around 2037. All right, guys. So keep an eye on 2229. If you break above, you turn into support. You break that high. That's when you see that continuation, and we could see a full reversal in the trend here and start trending back upwards on this bull run volume. However, we're still lacking that volume that we'd like to see here. But if Bitcoin does follow through with its Wyckoff method, then we should see a reversal in the trend and continue here on this bull run. All right, so let's finish it up with Matic. Let's give those future price targets. I'll quickly pop open my Matic chart that has our future price targets here. Let's put it onto the daily and we can give those future price targets. All right, guys, so we have our future price targets at $3.81. We have the 1.414 at 465, the 1.618 at 615, and that guesstimate here at $10 if this is our true bottom. So keep an eye on that, guys. We may see a bit of a reversal in the trend, but we need to get back above the EMAs. If we continue to get rejected, we will see that rollover. So that's it for Matic, guys. Hey, if you're new to trading, you want to learn leverage trading, please check out my tutorial. We'll be at the end of this video. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. I'm also posting chart patterns in there if you want to stay ahead of the game. It's the price of a coffee. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.